What are these brown circular spots appearing in my St. Augustine lawn? Is my lawn dying from a bad disease? And if it is, what should I do about it? These are the questions I get regularly here in the North Dallas area. And after 45 years in this business, I can tell you exactly what you're dealing with and what you need to know. Hi, this is Ken with Village Green. Brown patch, also called large patch, is the most common disease we'll see in St. Augustine lawns. What you're looking at is exactly what the name describes: circular brown patches with a distinctive ring pattern around that outside edge. We see these during the moderate temperatures of spring and fall when moisture combines with those in-between temperatures, not quite hot summer heat and not quite cold weather either. Several factors contribute to brown patch development. Excessive moisture is the big trigger, whether from overwatering, watering at night, or heavy rainfalls. We also see it in stressed out lawns, particularly after a long, hot, dry summer like we'll have frequently here. High nitrogen fertilizer applied at the wrong time will make that worse, which is why we stop applying that high nitrogen treatment in late summertime. Brown patch looks scary, but it's primarily cosmetic damage, not permanent. The fungus attacks the blades above the ground, but it doesn't actually kill the root system underneath it. When we treat it with fungicides, we will stop the spread, but the existing brown spots are going to stay through the fall and the winter. And then once the grass greens back up in late spring, then usually the St. Augustine recovers completely. So prevention is key: proper watering timing, not watering at night, and not applying the high nitrogen fertilizers in late summer. That will really help reduce the chances of you getting that brown patch in your lawn. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.